Hi, this is Dr. Eileen Wei. Do you know that acupuncture can help with skin issues? Skin issues like chronic rashes, allergic reactions, acne, eczema. This can really affect your comfort, your confidence, and the quality of life. From Chinese medicine's perspective, the skin issues they are not just a surface issue. They are a reflection of what's going on inside the body, such as digestive system, circulation, hormones, and even stress. And acupuncture can help with skin issues by bringing balance back to these systems so your skin can heal up from inside out. If you have been struggling with skin issues, I would love to help. Please call us at 403-295-8590. Take care.